I hope I can make you all feel the same. So I'll start with my poetry. First of all, an introduction. So, let me start. Artists, comedians, storytellers. It's a very special day, especially for someone who is stepping into the world of open mic poetry. It's me, Navya, and please join me as I'm going to share a piece of my heart with you all. Reflection of the Soul, a poetic journey with Navya. On to my poem. Shall we start with a question from my lovely audience? Well, has it ever happened, artists, that you look at a picture and it's not just an image anymore? You relate to it. It's definitely not just an image. It's more to it. Maybe it's a reflection of your own journey, your struggles, or maybe revelations. Introspection, question, awakening. Through the words I'm going to share here today, I'll make an attempt to unravel the tangled threads of soul, to navigate the labyrinth to the innermost thoughts. Welcome to my poetry, where every word will be a tear shed, every pause will be a breath caught, and every revelation will be a testament of resilience of human spirit. So shall we begin? I'll sit by this picture until it's burnt, as it beholds all that I've ever learned. Broken pieces of glass is all I ever earned, but those broken pieces of glass ain't just frozen aqua. Be concerned. Look upon your reflection in this amygdaloid mirror. Now shall we pause for a second and learn what amygdaloid mirror is? Amygdaloid is a word that derives from the word amygdala, which means anything which is almond-shaped. And I don't know if it's just me, but whenever I think of anything which is almond-shaped, I think of eyes. And eyes are reflective just like mirrors. So when I say amygdaloid mirrors, I talk about eyes. So let's resume. Look upon your reflection in this amygdaloid mirror. I see my entire world through them, full of errors. But never for once did they perceive your reflection onto them. I wonder why. Could it be that your deific aura was beyond my caliber to interpret, or maybe your malevolence shattered them into smithereens? And so I decided to outline it on a piece of paper. My fingers danced to the rhythm of intuition and birthed an inescapable sight. Satan. Satan with a weight scale in its sinister, lost in its pride. Looking at it was looking like a mirror that portrays apparent reality. A reality in which an imperfectionist delivers a monologue defining perfection. It shuddered me to reality and woke me up to a fresh epiphany. Another look and I'd end up giving up one of my amygdaloid mirrors. Call me pyromaniac, I couldn't care any lesser, but I chose to light a fire. I have long awaited my turn. I'll sit by this picture until it's burnt. And as this picture burns, so do the chain of my past perception. This poem was a very honest depiction of self-proclaimed omniscient, sycophant, and hypocritic society that is veiled as Goddess, Athena, Apollos, that are goddess of knowledge, wisdom, and truth, respectfully and relatively, but are actually Satans. And I hope that my poem brings you all to an epiphany just like I got one. And I agree that this was a little heavy-hearted poem because it was about revelations of human spirit. So I lighten it up. Lightening up things are always better in some way you can relate. And as I just noticed that many people in this room are broken heart lovers, and although I'm not a love writer and also I'm not a Hindi writer, but I'll give a shot to a Hindi poetry to lighten up the mood. Okay. Obviously, I'm nervous. because it's about a phase where I was really dull in my life. But let's see what I was going through. Maybe you'll relate. खतों खतों के जवाब दे दिए तेरे एक खत के इंतज़ार में, हर घड़ी ज़ाया कर दी तेरे इस झूठे से प्यार में, पर ना कभी तेरा खत आया ना कभी कोई और मेरे ख्वाब में। तुझे एक बार छुए आवाज़ मेरी रहते इस फ़िराक में, मलाल है उसका जो किया मैंने दिन में और रात में। अब नज़रें नहीं तो कर्ज़े नहीं तेरे प्यार के, पर इन गलियों में दिख ही जाते हो तुम इत्तेफाक से। खतों की बातें की क्योंकि हर कुछ किया जो था कागज़ी, पर अब गए हो तुम तो शायद वही लगा होगा लाज़मी। पर अब मानूं कैसे मैं इसको जो कभी हुआ करता था सच भी और ख्वाब भी, खुद से दलीलें दी हज़ार पर अब बस दिखता है एक फ़र्क ही। फ़र्क ये कि किया जब वादा तो खुद की ना कद्र की, पर तूने बाहें भी दी तो वो भी सर्द की। अब ना तू है ना तेरी बातों में सादगी, अब कुछ है तो उस शाम की याद और एक सौगात आखिरी, तेरा ही तो दिया हुआ तोहफ़ा है ये मौसीकी।